Meet Craft Barista. Quality coffee at home. 3 machines in one. With precision control and effortless brewing. Bold, refined espresso. Experience the aroma of freshly brewed coffee. Instant cold brew. Smooth, chilled, and refreshing. Engineered for perfection. Brew with confidence in every cup. Silky smooth microfoam. Tailored for every milk. Bring the craft barista. Quality coffee at home.